Okay, class, you already find out the what's wrong is this and why are the rest of cells are 0. We use the autofill to use this one. So when you want to use the same cell, this one, cell in all the formula with the autofill, you have to put the dollar sign in front of the row. How you can put this row is this and b10. What's the b10 is value is 15. So we are want to bound it now. So what you will write, we will write the dollar sign in between this one. So shift 4 and you will get the dollar. Let me enter it. We will get the 90. Okay, now check it, the autofill option, is it working properly or not? Let me check it. Yes, now you will see this one. That's how we can calculate the VAT if we have this one. Now we will calculate the total value. What is the total value in it? We have to calculate. How we can calculate, we have to find out d4. What is the d4? This one, and d4 is this, and we have to add e4, this one value. You will get the total, and you already know how you can drag and do the autofill. Click on it, find this plus small plus value, and you will enter. That's how you can calculate the total value. This is the end of our task 3. Welcome grade 5. Today we are doing MS Excel task 3, which is references of chapter number 5. We have analyzing data, and first of all you have to open MS Excel. Where is MS Excel? You have to go in start menu, then you have to drag it down and find MS Office. Here we have MS Office, here we have MS Excel 2013. I have a MS Excel 2013, so I'm using this one. If you have another version, you will use this one. And first of all, you have to open the blank book 1. Okay class, right now we have a pre-ordered table, and we have different values: price, quantity, value, VAT value, and table. Monitor have a price 200 and the quantity is 3. What will be the value? How much you have to pay? We will apply the formula is equal to whatever the value is in this box, you have to multiply. And we know that in Excel we use static sign for the multiplication. We have a 3, so you will get 600. If you click on this, you will get some plus like this, and you will drag it with autofill this one. Sometimes this autofill tool, it's not working properly. This is the disadvantage, but right now it's working, so it's till then here it's fine. Now class, it's time to explain you how autofill works. And autofill duplicates a formula that you type in the first cells, but it makes the appropriate changes each time. Autofill tries to understand what do you want to do and use the correct rows and columns to formula like this. If you click on the D5, where is the D and the 5, you will see the formula is B5 static C5. If you click on D6, there is a D6, this one. So you will find B6 into C6. Let's see. Now we will try to calculate the VAT. In this example, VAT is the price multiplied by 15. Where is 15? Here I already defined it. We can change this value. Instead of typing it every row like we did previously, we type in just one time, and we can save our time. What's the VAT value? We will write here is equal to, what's the value? D4. What we have D4 in? We have this one. You have to multiply static with the B10. What's the B10 value? This one. So you will get the answer. First value is fine. Now let's drag it and check it out whether the auto tool is working properly or not. Oh no, they are showing you the 0 everywhere. It means that this is not showing you properly. Why? If we are clicking on this one, you can see that the d5 is this one value. Okay, And what is the B11? The B11 is empty. So how you will get the answer? We know that we have to fix this one. But how we can fix? Let's see. Okay class, now we are doing task 4, more charts. You have already learned how to create a column charts to show your data in an interactive way. Microsoft Excel has many different charts types and options to use. Let's start with a line chart. You can use line charts when you want to show values over a period of time. For example, the sales of a product for a 3 months. Let's see the example. What you have to do, first of all, you have to select the data. Then you have to go on insert tab. There are charts, so like over there are lots of charts over there. This is an insert chart, so you have to click on this one, insert chart. Which chart do you want to, a 2D line or a 3D line? Which one? If you want to use this line, you will see there is they are showing you some preview. If you want to select this one, you have to click on this. If you want this one, stack lines, you will select this. Whatever the lines you want to do, if you want a 3D chart, you will get this one. Right now we are doing, I'm selecting this one. uh, I think this one is better, or this one, anyone. We are doing this one, I'm picking it. Okay, this is, if you want to change any design, you will see there are lots of design patterns over there. You can click on this. If you want to change the colors, you can change the colors like this. If I want the colors of this one, anyone. If you want to change the design chart like this, you can change. Here they are showing you the previews. You can select as you wish which one do you like the most. Okay, that's how we can do. Okay class, if we want to add a pie chart, how we can do? We use pie chart when we want to show a percentage or a part of something compared to the total. Let's try something. To add a pie chart, first of all you have to select the data. It's already done. On the insert tab, you have to go on insert tab, then you have to go on charts. There you can see that it's a pie. You can click on it. There are lots of pie types, 2D, 3D, or a donut, whichever, whatever you want to select. If you want to select this one, you can see this could be like this. We can change. If we don't want to this one, uh, I'll change again. Go on insert, there are chart pie. If you want a 3D, I'll select this one. And if you want a 3D chart like this, if you want a labeling, if you want some percentage like this, you can select whatever you are feasible or you want to do. Even we can change the colors types. Okay, like this we can do. That's the end of today's lecture. I hope you will practice, and don't forget to do hands-on. And I want the work. Show me your home task in next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.